welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today is a day that we've been waiting for a long time. We're going to Tennessee.
Vacay day.
So today is Wednesday, and we're staying till hopefully Sunday. It was supposed to be Saturday, but then they offered us a little extended something.
Extended stay.
So we're gonna try to stay till Sunday. So right now we're going to pick up our rental car because I ain't driving my car.
My car gonna blow up. Just saying.
So that ain't gonna work. So we're gonna get a rental, and then we gotta come back and load up all of our stuff, and then we're driving to Ohio to meet everybody else, and then we'll be driving to Tennessee. So I'll see y'all when we get the rental. Let's got the rental. Let me show y'all what they gave us. Ultimate. We are all packed up and loaded, and we're about to head to get some food and get some gas, and then we'll be driving to Ohio. We are about to leave Ohio. We're in Cincinnati, Ohio right now, and we'll be driving to Tennessee. It's 2:18, so we're not gonna get there till like 6 o'clock, but better late than never. I'm gonna get some snacks.
Munch.
Oh, it's like a little mattress in here.
What?
Alright, y'all. So, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And honestly, I didn't record anything else today. We ate some cold cut sandwiches. We played pool. And that's really all. But I'm about to go to bed. You see, got the bonnet, the scarf, pajamas. I'm tired. So, we're about to go to sleep. And yeah. Good morning. Say good morning to the people. I'm coming to show y'all the view. I feel like I haven't actually sat down and talked to y'all, but it's so pretty out here and quiet. Like if I moved out of Indiana, I think I could move to Tennessee. It's so pretty. Let me show y'all. Pretty. We are going on a nature walk.
Well, there's a trap
Oh, that's
right
a
there.
park.
Oh, never mind. I see.
Oh, that's the back to the people.
Nature walk. Nature walk.
That's nobody.
We hoping to find a waterfall.
I think this was with like Cataract Falls or something like that. I don't know. But I know the trail leads to two different waterfalls that we trying to find. But we just now got started. So we gonna bring y'all along with us. It is. They said that you gotta follow the sign.
Panda sign. I mean, there's a panda. They say look for the signs after all.
8.6.
That's water that way.
Huh? Oh.
Alexis, get in my hair. Don't scare me like that. Oh, no, it's standing up to their thing.
And she talking about a baby puppy, girl. Oh, look at her up there.
Oh, me too.
Okay, at this part, we had to stop walking because it started raining and getting dark. So we went go-kart racing. Was off a cliff and was asleep. It came really fast. And he still trusts me to drive. Okay, we're at this mirror maze that we're about to try to do. Oh yeah, I forgot. And we gotta get some
You gonna try to go?
gloves and some. No, I can't see with my regular glasses. I don't see the fit.
No, you did not show up without me.
Hey.
Are they real?
Yes, they real.
Not real people.
No, I think. No.
There's a whole group. This is not a mirror. No mirror. This is a mirror.
This ain't a mirror.
No.
Mirror. Go this way.
Very funny.
Oh, we're out.
Alright, we just left that little amusement, whatever you call it. It didn't have roller coasters, so I don't know what you call it, but we left it. It was pretty fun. The mirror maze was fun till they turned the lights off, but it was fun. Today's our last day in Tennessee.
You only 10, I see.
My eyelash coming off. Right now we just riding around trying to find something to do because we have to be out of the cabin at 10 and then we're checking into our hotel in Knoxville at like 3 or 4. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. I don't know where we're going. We're really just riding around just to buy some time. You see what I gotta deal with? This is ridiculous.
Honestly, it's too dark. I can't see nothing out of both of these.
You ugly.
Y'all like my pose?
That's so pretty. Right. We just made it to the hotel.
Oh, Eli, you gonna
I'm sorry, bro. I need you to shut your mouth.
Oh, the room ain't too bad. It's really just the stairs. Just check out pillows and stuff.
Alright, so I guess we're giving this room to them. Drop them cards. We'll get this room to the mama and them.
We had to come and get us a snack. We got some little Lele fries. That's why we running under Polynesian now. Because you don't know how to do just a little dip and go.
No, you gotta cover it.
You cover your whole fry though.
That's the point. You're supposed to. Get all that sauce in there. You tripping. Look at you making a mess.
Oh, you feel raindrops? Look.
That might be coming off the top of the car too, though.
Because it's something getting on the car.
Nope, it's definitely
Right
something
now
right
we're
here.
about.
Two.
Two.
Excuse me.
Alright, now we at Baskin Robbins.
They put some serious salt on these fries.
So, how are you enjoying Tennessee?
Man, it's been cool. I mean, besides yesterday's fiasco,
Yeah.
everything else has been pretty fun. We went on a shopping spree again today.
And we're about to go on another one.
Yep. So, we might have a haul for y'all later today.
Oh yeah, we
Or
are
later on
gonna
the
have
show.
a haul.
That's
We
the
are.
show. I mean,
The video.
video. My bad.
Enjoy yours. It's called a rainbow sherbet. And they big too.
We ain't never had Baskin Robbins. I couldn't
Yes.
tell. I'm not sure if I already said that.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever tasted Baskin Robbins. That's his ice cream.
Hey, Bussy, it's good. I can't wait to smash them.
Ooh, that sun was nice.
Oh, it made her skin look good.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all see the rainbow? We're about to go take some gold.
Catch the rainbow, catch the rainbow. Picture time.
Switch it out. Switch it out. Come on up. Oh, shit. Here's your turn. Take the camera. My case is not fair. Oh, this is exhausting.
Ew, stop.
And y'all, guess what? I got a new sword, guys. It's a katana. Carbon steel. She wish she was this cool. Carbon steel. I like this sword more than I like my girlfriend. Katana. Just kidding. She's amazing. Carbon steel. Your breath is hot.
Ain't that what they be doing in the movies?
I need to find my charger. Oh, okay. Sub me in.
Ooh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. You go out here, guys. Just in case y'all didn't know, I'm 23, going on 73.
So sad.
These bones, don't laugh at my eyelash. These bones, crazy.
Stuff like this.
Hey everyone, our trip has come to an end.
No!
Anyways, yeah, our trip is over now, and we're about to go to TJ Maxx again. We went to TJ Maxx last night, and then we're leaving. So we're going from Knoxville straight to Indiana, and that's like
6 hours.
6 hour drive. 6 hours 10 minutes. 6 hours 10 minutes. That's a really long drive. that I'm not looking forward to, and he's not looking forward to. But we gotta go home anyways. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at thatgirlexus, DATGURRLEXUS, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.